Welcome back to our channel. As you can see here, I'm going to use this tool to show you. Okay, so you can see these people get $25 for trading, which is a free no deposit bonus that you get by opening an account on a broker that I'm going to show you how to open an account. So today we are not going to look at a lot of things, but we're going to look at the name of the broker and probably the regulatory information, if is the broker regulated, and you can also look at the requirements and the availability of the no deposit bonus. So I'm on the website here. The name of the broker is DB Investment, which is giving away $25 as a no deposit bonus. So that's quite a lot of money to start with. That's $25, and you can see that they are regulated by FCA in Seychelles in since June. Okay, so that shows that they are regulated, and we are not sure about a lot of things, but it shows that they are regulated for now. Okay, so what you're gonna do is go far and see if we can get anything. That is interesting. So let's look at the $25 no deposit bonus information provided on the website here. So what they are saying here is that for you to get this $25 no deposit bonus, you have to verify your email when registering, and also verify your know your customer, which is a KYC, by using your proof of identity and also proof of address, which is proof of address mostly bank statement or water utility bills or whatever like that. So after registration, you will receive trading account information via email. Make sure that your account is fully verified. Please claim the bonus through the help desk ticket on the investing dashboard. So once you get in the dashboard, they provide you already with information that you need. So this screenshot here was taken from the dbinvesting.com, which is their trading their brokers dashboard. So if approved, let's just read here, if approved, will be credited to your trading account. So it simply means once you approved, then they will credit you with a $25 no deposit bonus. As you can see, this is an example of the dashboard here. As you can see, example of the dashboard where people receive the $25 no deposit bonus. So bonuses on MetaTrader is shown right here on the screenshots pasted on this website. So let's read the information given on the withdrawal terms and condition. So what you can see here, the bonus cannot be withdrawn, only the profit can be withdrawn in a minimum of 100, and the maximum is unlimited. So but the maximum is only unlimited after completing a trading of 5 standard lots. Okay, that's 5 standard lots. Trading must be done more than 20 instruments and more than 10 trading days. So you have 10 minimum of 10 trading days to trade this $25 no deposit bonus, and then you can withdraw unlimited funds, as they are saying here on the rules and terms and condition. We can see their deposit and withdrawal methods. Deposit and withdrawal methods are right there. So they are using bank wire transfer, local bank transfer, Swift, SEPA, Visa, MasterCard, and all these payment e-wallets available. So these are general terms and conditions, and we can also see the regulations license here. As you can see down here, the information was provided by this broker. So what I want is to show you on straight to the website, to show you the interface of the website. So this is the broker. This is the broker here. I can see the broker looks just good. It looks fine. You can trade metal indices and all these cryptocurrencies and everything. So yeah, the interface of the website looks fine. If I go to the options here or the menu here, I want to check what are the information given about. So that's what I look at first, and then I can look at accounts and stuff. So they even have a live chat if you can ask if that thing is available on your country or something, because they didn't provide the availability, the country or geographical availability of of this not the first bonus. So what I want to do is try chat with them and see if I can get anything out of this. So if I get anything, then I'll be good to go.